What if I told you that your mind is already powerful, but you are using only a small part of it? Every day you wake up, scroll your phone, overthink at night, forget things, lose focus, feel mentally tired, and slowly start believing that you are not smart enough. But the truth is brutal and simple. The problem is not your brain. The problem is that nobody ever taught you how to use it. Your mind is not weak, it is untrained. And today, if you stay with me till the end, you will understand how to increase your mind power in a real, practical way that actually changes how you think, focus, and live. Let me tell you something most people don't know. Your mind is like a machine that never stops working. Even when you are silent, it is talking. Even when you are resting, it is thinking. And if you don't control it, it controls you. Overthinking, stress, fear, and distraction slowly drain your mental energy every single day. Imagine trying to fill a bucket that has holes in it. No matter how much water you pour, it never fills. That is exactly what happens to your mind when you consume useless content, multitask all the time, and constantly worry about things you cannot control. The first step to increasing mind power is stopping this mental leakage. Silence, focus, and awareness are not boring. They are powerful. Here's a short story. There was a boy who was told he was slow. Teachers thought he would never succeed. Classmates made fun of him. Even his parents believed he was average. That boy was Albert Einstein. What changed his life was not his brain, but his habits. He learned how to think deeply, how to stay curious, and how to focus. Your mind power is not fixed at birth. It grows or shrinks based on what you do daily. And the scary part is this. Most people are shrinking their mind without even realizing it. Focus is the foundation of mind power. In today's world, focus is rare, and that makes it valuable. If you can focus deeply for even 20 minutes, you are already ahead of 90% of people. Start small. Sit down, choose one task, and give it your full attention for 10 minutes. No phone, no notifications, no switching. Just you and the task. At first, your mind will fight you. It will wander. That's normal. Bring it back, again and again. This is how mental strength is built. Focus is not talent, it is training. Now listen carefully, because this part changes everything. Your mind listens to the voice inside your head. If you keep telling yourself that you are weak, slow, or incapable, your brain accepts it as truth. But if you change the words, you change the wiring. This is not motivation, this is neuroscience. Every thought you repeat creates a neural pathway. When you say, "My mind is getting stronger every day," your brain starts acting in alignment with that belief. Talk to yourself like someone you want to become, not like someone you hate. Memory and intelligence grow when you challenge your brain. Learn one new thing every day. It doesn't have to be big. Read something meaningful. Recall it before sleeping. Teach it to someone else. Teaching forces your brain to organize information, and that is when real intelligence develops. Visualize what you learn. Connect it to emotion. Emotion is the fastest way to strengthen memory. That's why you remember painful and happy moments so clearly. Sleep is not rest. Sleep is repair. If you sleep less than 6 hours, your brain cannot function at full power. Focus weakens, memory fades, creativity disappears. No amount of motivation can fix a tired brain. Protect your sleep like it is your future, because it is. Sleep before midnight when possible. Put your phone away before bed. Your mind needs darkness and calm to rebuild itself. And now, one of the most powerful tools you will ever learn: breathing. Slow, deep breathing increases oxygen to the brain and instantly calms mental chaos. Inhale slowly, hold, then exhale longer than you inhaled. Do this for 5 minutes daily. A calm mind is not an empty mind. It is a controlled mind. And control is power. Here is the final truth most people avoid. Your mind grows when you do hard things, when you read difficult books, when you learn new skills, when you step outside your comfort zone. Discomfort is not your enemy. It is the signal that your mind is expanding. The life you want is built by the habits you keep avoiding. Your mind is not weak. It has just been waiting for you to take control. Start today, not tomorrow, not someday. One habit, one decision, one focused moment. If this video opened your eyes even a little, then stay with us. Subscribe to the Knowledge Vault, where we don't just share information, we unlock the power hidden inside you. Because knowledge is power, but applied knowledge is freedom.